Okay, we are rolling. What is up, people? Dunna here, and today we're going to be talking about what I think is the best way to carry your camera. Again, if you've been around the channel for a while, you may remember that I already made this video about 3 years ago or so, but things have definitely changed, all because of this one little thing. So it's definitely time that we do an update, talk about what has changed since 2021 and how I carry my camera today. So secure the cup and let's get into it. Firstly, a little bit of context. In the previous version of this video, I talked a lot about the Peak Design capture clip and the Peak Design slide strap. The capture clip allows you to attach your camera to your backpack strap by using a base plate that can also be attached to Arca-Swiss compatible tripod, which is definitely convenient since so many tripods use that style. And then the Peak Design slide strap, of which this is the smallest version, uses Peak Design's quick release system to attach and detach, leaving these little anchor things on your camera. So my hack in the previous video was to attach the strap anchors to one of the capture clips, and then I could use the base plate on my camera to attach the camera to the strap that way. I liked it because it meant I didn't have to have any anchors on my camera, and that base plate could go between my backpack strap, my neck strap, and my tripod super easy. However, I did eventually run into some downsides to this method. The way that I was attaching the anchors to the capture clip was okay. And I never really actually ran into serious problems per se, but it always made me a little bit nervous, and I regularly checked to make sure that things were all tight and good to go. Also, the screws on the capture clip stick out the back a little bit and could snag on my clothing or stab me a little bit from time to time. Now, fast forward 3 years and there are two things that are still the same. First, I still want to be able to carry my camera either on my backpack strap or on a regular neck strap. And second, I still want to attach it to both of those things using the same method without having any dangly anchors on my camera. The biggest difference between the way that I carry my camera now and the way that I did back then is that there's a whole lot less Peak Design. Now, don't get me wrong, I still love Peak Design, but we've got some options now that we didn't have back then, especially in the capture clip category, the one that holds the camera on your backpack. The way these work is that you attach the mount to your backpack strap and then the tripod plate to your camera, and then it just slides in like that. And then when you want to take it off, you just press the button and pull it out. Let me do a proper demonstration. So we've got the clip on the backpack strap, we've got the plate on the bottom. All I do is drop it in here. So it sits in there, hangs out on my backpack, and then when I'm ready, I press the button and pull it back out. Now, besides the Peak Design, there are two options that I really think are worth taking a look. The first of which is called the PGY-Tech Beetle Clip, and I like this one for two different reasons. Firstly, this one is the easiest one to get on and off of the backpack, and it feels absolutely solid. With the Beetle Clip, you just swing it around like that, so it's on the strap. You put on the one side, make sure it clips on, and then you close it, and it's snapped on there, nice and snug, really easy to do. Compared to the Peak Design capture clip where you have to screw on both sides and sometimes those screws could come loose, the Beetle clip is super easy to put on and it's smooth and rounded on the back so it doesn't dig into my shoulder nearly as much. Other than that, it works exactly the same as the Peak Design. It's also got a lock just like the Peak Design, so you turn the little switch on the side sideways and then it can't come out by accident. And the second reason that I love the PGY-Tech Beetle clip is because they have what I think is the best tripod plate out of the bunch. They've implemented some kind of anti-twist washer inside that gives me the strongest attachment to my camera, and I've never had issues with it coming loose or twisting or anything like that, like all of the other ones can from time to time. The other capture clip alternative that I like is the Falcam F38 version, and this is actually the second one from Falcam, and it is a big improvement from the first. They've managed to hold the whole thing together by this super strong cord, very similar to the cord used in the Peak Design anchors. And it allows to have very little bulk on the back side of the strap, which means no digging into your shoulder at all. It's still super secure and strong, but it takes up way less space and you don't even notice that it's there. Now, it is worth noting that the Falcam one can be a little bit fiddly at times. I still think it's easier than the Peak Design one, but because of the way that it's set up, some of these pieces can be a little bit annoying, but as long as you're not taking it on and off all the time, it's not really a problem. But the other strength of the Falcam system is that it uses the plates of any of these systems. If you have the Peak Design one, you need Peak Design plates. If you have the PGY Tech, you need PGY Tech plates. But if you have the Falcam one, you can use Peak Design plates, you can use Falcam plates, or you could use PGY Tech plates, and probably even more systems as well, because it's just kind of a more universal fit. So if you were somewhat invested in another system and you wanted a new backpack strap clip, you could still get into this without losing the ability to use your other ones. And even though all three of these systems will work with Arca Swiss tripods, both the PGY Tech and Falcam systems also have other parts of their accessory system that work with these plates as well. For example, I like to use the PGY Tech tripod base plate. So this is Arca Swiss, and then this is just like a quick release system. So I slap my camera directly into it and it snaps in there. And also there's a 1/4-20 thread under here so I can attach it to something like a friction arm to hang it wherever I want. Very, very handy, these things. I have probably like 6 of them around. Okay, all that being said, let's come back to Falcam for a second. Remember at the start, I said that everything was different because of this one little thing? This is the Falcam F38 strap attachment, and it does exactly what I used to do with the Peak Design capture clip and the strap, but it's actually meant to do it. So it is a drop-in quick release plate, just like the other ones, and it locks it in there nice and secure, but it's got these 2 little points on the top where you can connect a strap. And you can use absolutely any strap that you like, whether you're into the Peak Design system, PGY Tech, or Falcam, which all have similar kind of anchor-based systems, or if you have a nice leather strap from another brand or something like that, you just attach the strap here and then the camera slides into the base. And there are a couple of reasons why I think that this is better than attaching the strap to the camera in the kind of normal way. First of all, if you do use an anchor-based quick release system, you no longer have the annoying dangly anchors on your camera. And secondly, I personally find that when the camera is hanging from the tripod plate, it sits better against my body than it does when it's hanging from a neck strap from the normal kind of attachment points on the side. And thirdly, I love how quick and easy it is to completely remove the camera from the strap just by pressing the 2 buttons and pulling it out. This way the strap isn't in the way when I go to take a photo or video. The strap makes a complete loop around me as well, so it stays on my body, no problem too. And just like the Falcam backpack attachment, this clip, where did the clip go? What did I do with it? There it is. And just like the Falcam backpack attachment, this clip works with Falcam plates, Peak Design plates, or with PGY Tech plates, and probably more as well. So again, if you're already invested in a specific system, this accessory won't force you to make a switch. This can just be something you can add. As a little bonus to this video, my favorite strap that I've been using lately is actually one from Wandered that is typically known for making backpacks. And unfortunately, I think they've discontinued this one, but it's one of my favorites, so I hope they bring it back. And it's got what I call a fairly quick release system. So you kind of put this little leather loop through whatever you're attaching it to, and then it just kind of hooks back onto itself. So there's no extra pieces or extra anchors or anything, and it's definitely sturdy. It's rated up to 75 pounds, so that's really great. Wandered is still selling a neck strap and a wrist strap, and those are both really awesome too. They've got this same attachment, but this slide strap that's adjustable and stuff, they no longer are selling, so force them to bring it back because it's wonderful and I'd like to suggest it to more people. Of course, I'll leave links down in the description to everything that I've talked about in this video if you want to check them out or buy any of them. Please let me know down in the comments if you have any questions about anything that I talked about, and on your way down there, hit the like, subscribe, and that bell notification button so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.